For this project, you will need oil, food coloring with colors of your choice, alka-seltzer tablets, water, and one clear glass or plastic container.
First, you'll need to fill a third of your container with water.
Then add a few drops of food coloring to the water and mix them together.
Now, fill the rest of your container with oil.
Notice that the water and oil don't mix. This is because oil consists of hydrophobic molecules, meaning that they repel water. Oil is also lighter than water, which is why it floats to the top. Next, take your alka-seltzer tablets and break them into pieces. Then place them into your container and repeat as needed. When placing the alka-seltzer tablets into your container, they sink to the bottom and create gas bubbles. Since gas is lighter than liquid, the bubbles float to the top, creating bubbles in your lava lamps. You may also notice that some of the bubbles sink back to the bottom after reaching the top. This is because the bubbles created in the water layer carry water with them to the top of the container. Once they reach the top, the gas molecules escape, allowing for the dense water molecules to sink back to the bottom. Pro tip: want to make your lava lamp glow? Try shining a flashlight through the bottom of your lava lamp and turn the lights off. Now you have your very own nightlight.
You are now done with your lava lamp. Enjoy it.
Happy crafting from us at Picnic Day.